Hi everybody, and welcome to our video today. This is a PDC automatic tamper evident neck bander. It's the model 50M. We're going to take you through some of the features. We're operating on 220 single phase voltage. Of course, as you hear, requires air. This little unit right here is a magnet, and that allows us to keep the door open and show you the intricate working here. Easy to product sensorize. You'll see they're all operational. Obviously, because we bypassed the system, they don't need to run. The counter you see right here is a speed counter. And just going to show you as we turn the drive up. It's got a variable speed system. You'll see the speed go up. This is just to show you, this is running at full speed. Bring that down a little bit on the main drive. The secondary unwind drive, you'll see up here. And if you see the way the threading diagram shows, when this, like on all of these units, goes up and down, you'll see what engages up here. And that also has a variable speed control. So as tension changes on the film, that moves up and down and controls the unwind speed. They have a clutch base back here, and that's to keep tension on the roll so it doesn't overfeed. This is the sensing eye. You see we blocked it, and that allows everything to run, just using a small piece of plastic in there. The service door here has a safety switch on it as well. You hit your start reset again, you start running. Controls are perfect. You see we're feeding 220 single phase power directly into the disconnect, as you would in a normal setting. Here's your two DC boards operating those two variable speed controls you see there. Really nice, smooth running condition. We've seen a lot of these over the years, and they're probably one of the most popular neck banders or sleevers, because they can do both, well, depending on the model, of course. So we have a little bit of familiarity with them. Everything's working really great, like we said, and hope this gives you a good idea. The machine's in perfect condition and ready for service. Just needs your tooling on it and ready to go. Thanks for joining us for this video today.